Think and Grow Rich is a timeless personal development and self-help book written by Napoleon Hill. First published in 1937, it is the result of over 2 decades of research into the lives and habits of the most successful people of that time, including industrial giants like Andrew Carnegie, Henry Ford, Thomas Edison, and many more. The main idea of the book is simple but powerful: thoughts are things. What you think, believe, and focus on consistently will eventually shape your reality. Success, wealth, and happiness do not come by accident. They begin with a clear and burning desire, backed by faith, and followed by action. Napoleon Hill outlines 13 principles that, when practiced with discipline and belief, can lead to success in any area of life. Let's go through them one by one. The first principle is desire. Hill says that desire is the starting point of all achievement. You must know exactly what you want, not a vague wish, but a clear and definite goal. This strong desire will act as a magnet to pull opportunities toward you. The second principle is faith. You must believe that you can achieve what you desire. Faith is developed through repetition, by affirming your goals and visualizing success every single day. The third principle is autosuggestion. This is the practice of feeding your subconscious mind with positive thoughts and instructions. By repeating affirmations daily, your beliefs begin to change, and your subconscious starts helping you achieve your goal. The fourth principle is specialized knowledge. General knowledge won't bring riches. You must focus on a specific skill or area of knowledge and become an expert in it. Learning never stops, and applied knowledge is power. The fifth principle is imagination. Hill explains that ideas are the starting point of all fortunes. Using your creative imagination, you can build new plans, products, and solutions that bring value to others. The sixth principle is organized planning. You must create a clear plan to reach your goal and take action on it immediately. Even if your first plan fails, make a new one. Persistence in planning is essential. The seventh principle is decision. Successful people make decisions quickly and change them slowly. Indecision leads to doubt, and doubt kills dreams. Be firm in your choices. The eighth principle is persistence. Every successful person has faced failure, but they kept going. Persistence means continuing in the face of defeat, rejection, or delay. Most people give up just before success is about to come. The ninth principle is the mastermind. Surround yourself with like-minded individuals who support and challenge you. When 2 or more minds come together in harmony, they form a powerful energy that leads to creative ideas and faster growth. The 10th principle is the mystery of sex transmutation. Hill says sexual energy is one of the most powerful human energies. When controlled and redirected, it can be transformed into creative and productive action that leads to success. The 11th principle is the subconscious mind. It works day and night, receiving input from your conscious mind. Whatever you feed it, whether fear or faith, becomes your reality. So feed it positive thoughts, desires, and affirmations daily. The 12th principle is the brain. Hill explains that your brain acts like a broadcasting and receiving station. It picks up vibrations of thought from others, especially in a mastermind group. Stay around high-minded people, and your own thoughts will rise. The final principle is the sixth sense. This is the mysterious, intuitive ability that gives sudden flashes of insight or ideas. It cannot be explained fully, but successful people often trust their gut instincts. Hill says this ability develops naturally when you master the other 12 principles. Apart from these principles, Hill warns about the 6 ghosts of fear that stop most people from succeeding: fear of poverty, criticism, ill health, loss of love, old age, and death. He teaches that faith and action are the only cures for fear. In conclusion, Think and Grow Rich is not just about making money. It is about developing the mindset and habits that lead to success, confidence, and personal power. The real message is this: whatever the mind can conceive and believe, it can achieve. If you have a burning desire, backed by faith, clear goals, persistent action, and a refusal to quit, then you can think your way to any form of success you want. This book is a blueprint for those who want to change their lives using the power of the mind.